Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and now you are watching new video of hotel. In this video we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location and here is nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 6.0, which is the pleasant. A set of reviews is now displayed on our screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Room category 1. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities and images, etc. Room category 2. Next, we talk about amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen, security guard, present photo ID at check-in, built-in safety measure, person reserve the right to temporarily hold an account prior to arrival. The location of the hotel is outstanding and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Two deliveries of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel along with various meal plans and training policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For booking or more details, go to link in description. If you are facing any problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already visited this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.